Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your touchscreen not being responsive on Samsung Galaxy A17. Let's begin! So, there are two main reasons you clicked on this video. Either A, you have installed the new screen protector and your touchscreen isn't as responsive as it used to be, or B, your phone just froze up and died miserably. No matter the cause, I will still help you. At least I will try to. If you're coming from the A option, then you want to simply head into the settings, scroll down, enter your display, and in here you want to scroll down a little and go into accidental touch protection, and basically we want to increase the touch sensitivity, and this should help your issue. Now, if you have troubles actually navigating into it and enabling touch sensitivity, I would advise you to just remove the screen protector, enable it, and then try to re-enter your screen protector onto your phone. And also make sure that it's some sort of legit screen protector, because if it's not, then it might be in the way for your fingerprint sensor and your just touch sensors. However, if you are coming from the place where your phone just randomly froze up and you can't do anything, then you want to perform a soft reset. And luckily, you can do that by pressing and holding power button, however, not alone. Well, I'm in my case right here, because whenever I press and hold power button, we do have a power screen. However, this may not be the case for you, because by default I believe this should be AI assistant. But in order to perform a soft reset without clicking anything on screen, we want to just press and hold power button and volume up button. And let's try to keep pressing and holding that by default. But if you have this set up differently, so if you remember that you went into your general management, into your advanced features, side button and long press, which is by default this, by the way, so I will now go to default option. Then you want to go and press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time, and you should be able to turn off your device. If it's not working, then it's completely fine and reasonable. You can try to press and hold using power button and volume down. As you can see, this is the shortcut. So let's try to press and hold it once again. And we now hear a little vibration. We can see our Samsung Galaxy, and now our soft reset is done. Now the phone has to finish resetting, of course. And don't worry, you won't lose all your data or anything really, you are just rebooting your device. And that should resolve your screen being frozen. However, if you still see that your screen is frozen, then you seriously screwed something up. And I guess I would advise you to just head into some sort of Samsung store. I don't see other way. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.